End of year test. Select the phrase that best completes each sentence below. Write the letter of your answer you have chosen to the left of each question. Number 1. Inhaling too much carbon monoxide while in your car can A. Have fatal results, B. Make you feel drowsy, C. Make you sick to your stomach, D. All of the above. Number 2. The best remedy for driving fatigue is A. Fresh air, B. Rest, C. Singing loudly, D. Coffee. Number 3. The vision that enables you to detect movement to the side is A. Field of vision, B. Central vision, C. Peripheral vision, D. Color vision. Number 4. The alcoholic content of a glass of wine, a mug of beer, or an ounce of whiskey is A. Greater in whiskey, B. Less in the glass of wine, C. About the same, D. Greater in the glass of beer. Number 5. The way to sober up a person who has had too much to drink is to A. Give the person black coffee, B. Make the person take a cold shower, C. Make the person exercise, D. Give the alcohol time to wear off. Number 6. A regulatory sign that has a red circle with a slash means A. Detour, B. Railroad crossing, C. No, D. Yield. Number 7. If you come to a stop sign and there is no white stop line, A. Stop 10 feet in front of the stop sign, B. Stop even with the stop sign or just in front of it, C. Stop 10 feet behind the stop sign, D. You can stop anywhere as long as you stop. Number 8. To determine whether or not to suspend a driver's license, most states use A. Accident reports, B. A point system, C. A judge's discretion, D. The federal government. Number 9. A certificate of title proves A. Who owns a car, B. You have insurance, C. The car is registered in the state, D. Your license plate is not stolen. Page 2. Number 10. When turning left at an intersection, A. Yield to all oncoming vehicles until you have the time and space to turn, B. Yield just to traffic on the right, C. Yield just to traffic on the left, or D. Yield only to any emergency vehicles. Number 11. The air conditioner is used to A. Lower humidity, B. Raise humidity, C. Dispel carbon monoxide, D. Make the interior smell nice. Number 12. The function of an odometer is to A. Keep track of the number of miles the vehicle has been driven, B. Keep track of miles per gallon, C. Show how fast you are going, D. Tell you when your electrical system is failing. Number 13. You set your car's automatic choke by A. Pressing the brake pedal once to the floor and then releasing it, B. Pressing the clutch pedal once to the floor and releasing it, C. Having a mechanic give your car a tune-up, D. Pressing the accelerator once to the floor and then releasing it. Number 14. Locking your wheels in an emergency braking situation. A, decreases braking effectiveness. B, can make you go into a skid. C, increases your stopping distance. Or D, all of the above. Number 15. The friction point is A, the place where the wheels meet the pavement. B, the point where, as you let up on the clutch pedal, the transmission and engine engage. C, the point where, as you push down on the brake, the car begins to slow down. D, the place where the brake shoes rub against the wheel drum. Number 16. The first thing to do before changing lanes is A, steer smoothly into the next lane. B, adjust your speed. C, signal your intentions. D, check your mirrors. Number 17. You should signal for a turn. A, no sooner than 50 feet before the turn. B, no sooner than 100 feet before the turn. C, at least 150 feet before the turn. D, at least 500 feet before the turn. Number 18. A driver turning right. A, always has the right of way at a red signal. B, must yield right of way to cross traffic. C, does not need to yield to pedestrians. D, should position the car to the left of the roadway. Number 19. When parallel parking, you A, need a space at least 2 feet longer than your car. B, need a space at least 5 feet longer than your car. C, should drive into the space at 10 to 5 miles per hour. D, should check the sidewalk for pedestrians. Page 3, number 20. When an oncoming vehicle's headlights are too bright, you should A, look to the right edge of the traffic lane beyond the oncoming car. B, look at the spot just below the car's headlights. C, turn your high beams on. D, cover your eyes, but for no more than 2 to 3 seconds. Number 21. In snowfall, you should drive in the tracks of the vehicle ahead of you so you A, know which way to go. B, help to pack the snow down. C, can get better traction. D, can maintain momentum. 22. Of all the collisions between cars and pedestrians, most A, occur in urban area. B, occur in rural areas. C, occur near playgrounds. D, result in driver fatality. Number 23. At dusk, there is more danger of hitting a deer because A, deer cannot see very well at dusk. B, deer move around to feed at dusk. C, deer are naturally sleepy at dusk. Or D, there is more traffic at that time. Number 24. After passing a truck, you should not pull in closely in front of it because A, you need to have plenty of room between you and the truck in case you have to hit the brakes. B, you will block the truck driver's vision of the road. C, you could get a ticket for tailgating. D, all of the above. Number 25. A banked curve is one that A, is higher on the inside of the curve than on the outside. B, has at least a 30-degree turn. C, curves and goes downhill at the same time. D is higher on the outside of the curve than the inside. Number 26. The first thing to do in the event of brake failure is to A. Use the parking brake to stop your car. B. Pump the brake pedal rapidly. C. Shift to a lower gear. D. Steer against the curb. Number 27. If your engine stalls, A. Your power brakes won't work at all. B. Your power steering won't work at all. C. Your power brakes and your power steering won't work very well. D. You should pump your power brakes. Number 28. If your engine is flooded, you will probably A. Smell gasoline. B. See steam coming out from under the hood. C. Have your engine stall after going through a large puddle of water. D. Have wet brakes as well. Number 29. An advantage to selecting a car with an automatic transmission is A. Increased fuel savings. B. Increased power going up hills. C. It is easier to drive. D. It will have power steering. Page 4, number 30. Uninsured motorist insurance protects you if A. You hit a car that is uninsured. B. You are hit by a driver, an uninsured driver. C. You are the victim of a hit-and-run driver. Or D. Both B and C. Number 31. The wheels that receive the power from the engine are called A. The front wheels, B. The rear wheels, C. Drum wheels, or D. Drive wheels. Number 32. The function of the differential is to A. Allow each of the rear wheels to turn at a different speed when turning a corner. B. Keep the coolant in the engine moving. C. Stop your car from losing control when you brake too hard. D. Remove exhaust gases from the vehicle. Number 33. Using a gasoline that has a high octane rating, A. Will not increase engine power. B. Increases engine power. C. Increases fuel efficiency. D. Saves you money in the long run. Number 34. When you pack your car for a long trip, the heaviest items should be A. In the bottom of the trunk. B. Toward the center of the car. C. Placed in the car top carrier. D. In the front seat. 35. Ideally, the in-vehicle test should be taken in A. The same vehicle you have practiced in. B. A vehicle with manual transmission. C. A vehicle with an automatic transmission. D. Your family's car. Number 36. For the test, your state may require you to present A. Your driver's permit. B. The vehicle's registration. C. The vehicle's insurance identification card. D. All of the above. Next page, multiple choice. Number 37. Alcohol acts as a stimulant, amphetamine, depressant, hallucinogen. Number 38. Fatality rates are highest for occupants of A. Large cars, B. Small pickup trucks, C. Tractor trailers, D. Recreational vehicles. Number 39. The only way to get sober after drinking too much alcohol is to take a cold shower, exercise, allow time for the effects to wear off, drink black coffee. Number 40, hydroplaning occurs when A, your car skims across the surface of water on the road. B, your car sprays water off its wheels. C, a truck sprays water off its wheels. D, you travel less than 15 miles per hour. Number 41, when waiting for a red signal to change at an intersection, A, begin driving the second the signal turns green. B, honk your horn, then go. C, check the intersection after the light turns green and then proceed. D, wait 4 seconds after it turns green. Number 42, the effects of threshold braking is to A, cause skids, B, lock wheels, C, prevent locking of wheels, or D, decrease stopping distance. Number 43, when another car is passing you, A, it is illegal to speed up, B, speed up, C, move to the left, or D, pump your brakes. Next page, number 44. When parking your car uphill with a curb, turn your wheels to the left, set your parking brake, put your car in first gear, or D, all of the above. Number 45, the oil pressure light tells you A, you are low on oil, B, it is time to change oil, C, oil pressure is low or dropped, D, oil pressure is too high. Number 46, a blue sign with white letters tells you about A, speed limits, B, roadside services, C, state parks, D, mileage to a destination. Number 47, it is safe to follow a car closely in bumper-to-bumper traffic. It is safe to follow a car closely in A, bumper-to-bumper traffic, B, slow traffic, C, a medical emergency, or D, no circumstances. Number 48. If you come to a railroad crossing with warning lights flashing, A, do not attempt to cross, B, cross quickly after looking, C, cross slowly, D, get out of your car and check for a train. Number 49, fuel is ignited by the spark plug, starter, camshaft, or distributor. Number 50, a right turn on red is done by A, looking, making sure no one is coming, B, making a complete stop, looking, go when it's safe, C, just going, or D, doing it only when it says so. True or false? Number 51. You can make a left turn on red. 52. Your emotional state has very little effect on your ability to drive. 53. An interstate sign with an odd number means that the interstate goes north and south direction. 54. Aim high means keep your hands at 12 o'clock. 55. If you are upset, one good remedy is to go on a long drive. 56. A stop sign is hexagon shaped. 57. Broken yellow lines mean no passing. 58. Railroad warning sign is round with yellow coloring. 59. A no passing sign is pennant shaped. Number 60. You must yield at an uncontrolled intersection. Number 61. You do not yield when coming from an alley or driveway. 62. You could get a ticket for driving under the speed limit. 63. It is okay to use your left foot on the brake. 64. When you are not moving with the flow of traffic, you face increased risks. 65. Angle parking is done at 90 degrees. 66. Quick starts save fuel. 67. You can reduce risk by managing visibility, time, and space. 68. Most collisions occur at intersections. 69. A U-turn is a legal way to make a turnabout in all areas. Number 70. You could not be issued a ticket for going too slow. 71. Use the 2-second rule when following someone. 72. Roads are slickest in the early part of a rainstorm. 73. Bridges are usually dry and never freeze. 74. When driving on snow or ice, change directions quickly so you don't skid. 75. Drive with high beams on in fog to see farther ahead. 76. When meeting an emergency vehicle, you must yield. 77. Tires that are worn in the middle have too much air in them. 78. Skids are caused by poor traction. 79. When your wheels lock, turn off the car. Number 80. When your engine is flooded, you can usually smell gasoline. 81. If your car is in a power skid, release the accelerator. 82. The first thing to do in brake failure is to pump the brakes. 83. The more cylinders a car has, the more gas it uses. 84. The Blue Book is for mileage on cars. 85. SIPDE is a good way to help you drive. 86. The highway transportation system consists of people, machines, and roadways. 87. Tunnel vision is great for driving in traffic. 88. You must yield to a person with a white cane. 89. A flashing red light means the opposite of a stop sign. 90. A flashing yellow light means stop. Next page. Number 91. When two cars stop at a 4-way stop sign, you should yield to the person on the right. 92. Solid yellow lines mean no passing. 93. On some roads there is a minimum speed limit. 94. You must stop when following a school bus or approaching one when its stop arm is out. 95. Warning signs are diamond in shape. 96. A defroster clears moisture from inside of your car. 97. Cars must yield when turning left. 98. Always look when backing your car. 99. When pulling into traffic, signal, look over your shoulder, and adjust your speed. Number 100. Right turns are safer than left turns. Short answer. Number 1. List and explain SIPDE. Number 2. List and explain the 5 parts of the Smith system. 3. Explain how and when to change lanes. 4. Explain the consequences of a DUI. 5. Explain what to do if you're near a driver who is experiencing road rage.